Okay, time to have a bit of a play with this Kasp padlock sent by the very cool and very skilled and very generous lockpicking lawyer. So if I can get a tension tool in to a suitable spot, we'll have a bit of a go at picking this baby, huh? I'm going to start anywhere. Ooh. That's a bit of a prod at, maybe that was pin 2 or 3, not entirely sure. We had a bit of rotation of the plug. That's quite nice and friendly. A little click back there. So my plan here, if there's any plan at all, is to try to coax no more than one click at a time out of every pin that I come across. So, as is my predilection. Oh, what happened? Seriously. Okay, that's probably the quickest time for me ever on any kind of lock like this. God, I forgot what I was going to say. I'm so surprised. But nevertheless, we got to have a look inside of this little core lock. Oh yeah, I was going to say, as is my predilection, I tend to not force anything. If a pin seems to be fighting me for any particular reason, I'll generally not try to force the issue with that pin, and I'll look around for a pin that does feel like it wants to move for me. And well, it certainly paid off that time. Oh no, C-clip. A little C-clip as well. This is not going to be fun. If this is going to take forever, I'll I'll leave the springs inside. So there we have all the pins laid out. So let me see if I can fix the lighting and change the camera angle, and we'll have a closer look. Back with you in a second or more. Okay, hopefully that can be seen relatively clearly. If not, sorry, it looks okay through the viewfinder, so if it doesn't, I'm kind of screwed. But let's have a look at these pins. Starting with the key pins, we have a serrated stainless steel serrated pin in 1. We have a standard in 2. We have another serrated key pin in 3, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and a serrated in 6. So lots of serrations. Interesting to find one non-serrated pin in there. But moving along to the drivers, we have another stainless steel, be for anti-drill purposes, I would assume. Standard driver in 1. In position number 2 for the driver, we have what looks to be one of those anti-bump kind of pins, which is pretty nifty, very, very cool. And for drivers 3, 4, 5, and 6, we have all these rather cute and tiny spool pins. So that is what is in this lock. I feel no modifications in the plug, and I'm assuming the same is true in the shell up in the Bible. So at this point, it's only left for me to say thank you very much once again to the lockpicking lawyer for sending out this cool lock. Rock on, sir. And to anyone who's actually watching this, peace and respect. I hope that wasn't too boring for you. But all in all, for me, this was quite a cool and quite a fun lock. So in a moment, I'm going to take a couple of photographs of these pins and then put it back together. So that said, I'm buggering off, and I'll catch you all another day. Bye for now.